Hey groomers, Tyler here with Smokey. He's got his cool little balloon animal toy. But anyway, this is for the groomers that are thinking about buying the Opal or have the Heininger Opal. Don't spray any disinfecting or cleaning stuff while your clipper's running, because this clipper has an open face motor. Most clippers have a sealed motor, but this one's open, probably for heat reduction and more airflow. It kind of looks like these things are shaped to push air through the clipper. I'm not exactly sure why it's designed this way, but you definitely don't want to be dipping your clipper in any cleaning solutions, because then when you charge it, it'll sit up like that, and then all the liquid will drip down eventually into the electronic parts. So if you own this clipper, take the blades off, get yourself some H42 or disinfectant in a spray bottle, and then just lay your blades out and spray them down. Wipe them off, oil them, and then they're good to go. I wouldn't recommend dipping your clippers in, no matter what clipper you have, in anything or spraying it, because the spray will shoot back through the electronics. And while other motors are sealed, there's still open circuit boards and wires and stuff that you don't want to get corroded. So just a little tip, take your blades off, clean them, disinfect them, oil them, and your clippers will thank you. All right, have a good day.